Welcome to our YouTube channel, where luxury meets design inspiration. Today, we're embarking on a captivating journey through 11 lavish living room interiors in Los Angeles homes, all adorned with the timeless beauty of slate stone. Slate stone takes the spotlight in these stunning designs, serving as eye-catching accent walls that command attention. Its unique texture and natural allure create a sense of depth and character, making it the perfect choice for those who crave a touch of organic elegance. One of the defining features of these interiors is their dark color schemes. Deep, rich hues set the stage for an ambiance that's both intimate and luxurious. The dark palette not only adds drama, but also allows the slate stone to shine, creating a mesmerizing contrast that captivates the senses. The furnishings in these living rooms are carefully curated to complement the overall design. Plush sofas, elegant coffee tables, and statement lighting fixtures add layers of style and comfort to the space, creating a harmonious blend of aesthetics and functionality. If you're as enchanted by these luxurious living room interiors as we are, be sure to show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And for more design inspiration and mesmerizing tours, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support fuels our passion for sharing the world of design with you.